Happy birthday, Soul.
Do you have the 3-week-old hiccups?
Yeah? Say hi.
Hiccup? Hi. Oh, I know. It's very sad. Not sad to be 3 weeks old, just sad to have the hiccups.
Aww.
So. Oh.
Oh. Oh. What do you think?
My mom says absolutely it was so good. When we went for ice cream? Oh, when you had the hiccups?
Oh.
And scene.